my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a VELLABOX. Good morning. How are you? Well, it's morning for me. I don't know if it's morning for you, but how are you? Today we have a VELLABOX. Now, I love this box. They sent this box to me for review last month and I was so excited, and so I reached out and asked if she would send me another box, to be quite honest, because a lot of you had an interest in it. A lot of you told me you ordered it, and I wanted to talk about it. You know, I wanted to see how you were doing with yours. Here are mine from last month. So this one is the coconut. This one's the coconut. Still smells good. I burned through this one and it was lovely. And then this one is the lemon one. And I burned through that one. And my family enjoyed them so much that even while we were traveling, my son burned the candles, which isn't something he normally does. So before we get into this month, just in case you didn't see my last video, first of all, I'll link it up in a card. And second of all, let's go over very quickly what this box is about. We'll just wait while my puppy gets a drink of water. I'll have a sip of tea with her. Yes, now we're going to lie down and we have to moan and groan to get there. Okay, so very quickly, I'm gonna read this straight from their site. It's easier for me and I feel like I pass on the information perfectly to you. First of all, they are based in Columbus, Ohio. Fellow candle lovers know how easy it is to burn through a candle or two in a month, especially when they smell so good. Yes, that is so true. There came the idea for a subscription that will replenish those candle needs each month, straight to your door, with scents that perfectly complement the time of year. That's the thing that's most appealing to me. We place great importance on sourcing candles that are high quality and non-toxic. Our candles are made with natural ingredients including soy, coconut, and vegetable wax, cotton wicks, and essential oils for scent. A natural wax will also burn longer than the paraffin wax alternative. They support small businesses by partnering with different artisan candle makers around the country who hand pour each candle in small batches. Each month we include a special gift in the box from one of our lifestyle partners. So yes, last month we got a lip balm, which I love. I talked about it last month. I had gotten one similar, the same one in another box, and I used them both. One's in my purse, one's in my travel bag. I really like the lip balm. They offer this subscription in 3 monthly subscription options. You can purchase it in 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. And you can choose the Lucerna, which is $10 a month. It's a 4-ounce candle, and it burns about 25 hours. I found that to be true. Actually, I found it burned a little longer. These are very slow burning. They're different every month, but these were great. I really enjoyed it. And then the Ignis, which is $20 a month, which is an 8-ounce candle and a special gift, about 50 hours. And then the Vivere, which is $30 a month, and it is both the 4 and the 8-ounce, about a 75-hour burn time. So there you go. I'm really excited about this. So let's see what's in here. It comes beautifully packaged, really beautifully packaged. Look at that. I love that. You can pull this down and off of here and frame it if you like, or you can set it out on your desk. That one's gorgeous. The world is big and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark. You guys, that is just perfect for my channel. Perfect for us. We are travelers. Look, the beautiful snow caps. Okay, I am definitely taking that one off and framing it. Okay, so you see the candles come in these beautiful bags, which you can re-gift or hang on to, travel with your jewelry in them, put special pieces in them. I'm going to actually put my Pandora bracelet in this one because it's tarnishing a little bit, sitting out on its own. And here is this week's, I'm fumble fingers today. Here is this month's gift with milled soap, fresh milk shea butter. Oh, this is the Greenwich Bay Trading Company, Raleigh, North Carolina. You guys, this smells amazing. Oh, I'm gonna have to order more of that. Is it on? So you get the little card that has all the information on it. Yes, Greenwich Bay Trading Company, it's the bonus gift. Fresh milk and shea butter soap. local to Raleigh, North Carolina. You can buy it at gbsoaps.com, and their social media is VELLABOX, VLABX.co. Okay, well, I'll put that in the description box. And the scoop on this is the American soap maker since 1962, Greenwich Bay Trading Company, offers luxurious soaps and spa products. Enjoy this fan favorite, French milled vegetable soap enriched with creamy buttermilk and shea butter. You can bet I'm gonna love this. You bet. You betcha. I love like scented body products. I love them. I don't know what it is, but I love to smell good. I mean, who doesn't? But this type of thing for sure. You guys, we're gonna open it real quick. I wanna see, I love, it's just everything about homemade, handmade soaps. Yeah, it's a beautiful soap. There you go. Excuse my nails. I'm going to get, oh, there we go. I'm gonna get them taken care of this week. Oh my goodness. That is just scent heaven. Okay, let's start with the smaller candle this month. Comes out the 4 ounce. Oh, this is Ranger Station. So isn't that the same? Did I just say that? No, it's not. What is wrong with my brain? Ranger Station. Local to Nashville, Tennessee. We are gonna be in Nashville next week. I'll pop an iCard up here all about that trip, all about it. How amazing. Okay, this is by Ranger Station. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, I know this scent. What is this? There's something familiar in here. Santalum. Okay, so let's read about Ranger Station, and then we're going to talk about this candle. Right, so this is Ranger Station, Nashville, Tennessee, rangerstation.co, and there is a code here to get you a percentage off your purchase when you purchase the candle, which is excellent when you purchase your subscription box. Okay, the scoop. The currency of our lives lies in experiences we create and the memories we make. Ranger Station's products are created to enhance these memories and experiences. Vegan, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. That word is difficult for me. Okay, where are the notes on this? Fragrance notes, ambergris, amaranth, and amber resin. The scoop, known to regularly charm passerbys with its captivating musk. This fragrance is carefully mastered take on sandalwood-centric scent. Okay, sandalwood-centric musk. Yeah, scent. Yeah, I can smell that, but there is an undernote in here, like a back note, that is just incredibly pleasant. I can smell the amber, and I can definitely smell the sandalwood, but there's a sharp scent in here that is heavenly. I love this, absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, you need this candle. You need that candle. Okay, now let's look at the big one. This is Oak Moss. The scent is Oak Moss. Isn't that just beautiful? I love artisan candles. They're such a beautiful addition to your decor. So if you're allowed to burn candles at work, what a beautiful little piece to sit on your desk. Very elegant and contemporary looking. I like that. I really like that. Oh, wow. Okay. Goodness gracious, that's pleasant. This is Oak Moss, bergamot, cedar, and red amber. I definitely smell the cedar. Definitely smell the bergamot. Created to be reminiscent of the moment after a storm clears. Yes! When the sun shines through to unleash a palpably fresh, warm, and earthy scent from the forest floor. Perfectly, whoever they hire to give, yes, yes. So when we were walking through the woods in Port in Alaska at Icy Strait Point, that is the scent. That is what I smelled. That's it. They put it in a candle. I couldn't be happier about that. You guys, Alaska in a candle. I am absolutely in love with this. Absolutely in love with this. This is going right on my fireplace right now. And this one I want on my desk. It's so refreshing. There is still a note back there that I can't pinpoint. but it's something I love. It's absolutely something I love, and I can't, it's not coming through, but these candles, it's like somebody said, Favor, I want you to write down scents that make you happy and feel good. And they sent them to me in a box. So, and you'll get the same ones. So if you order this box, you'll get the same ones. This is August. I believe this is August. So yeah. Anyway, okay, you guys, I am telling you this box is fantastic. I'm so excited about this. This is one of those boxes that I really look forward to. You guys know I enjoy candles quite a bit. I love home scents quite a bit. Laundry detergents, body scents, things like that. I really am a scent-driven person, and they evoke memories for me, very deep memories for me, as do, like, it does that for a lot of people. So I'm finding these candles, they're not overpowering, they don't make me sick, they don't cause headaches. My son, who is extremely sensitive to scent, came home the other day and said, Mom, it smells really nice. It wasn't overwhelming. Whereas some candles I can burn, he's like, Mom, please blow that out, it's too much for me. So these are excellent. They smell nice without suffocating those who are sensitive to scent. You know what I mean? So there you go. You guys, go get this box. Go get this box. I am going to enjoy this soap, and I'm going to order more. I want to put it in gifts, and I want to smear it all over my body. All right, you guys, I really appreciate you watching. There is a discount code, Favor. You'll get $5 off your first box. Please go check it out. Go use it. Go get your first box. Go try it. Enjoy candles with me. This is the best time of year for candles because we're about to go into fall and Christmas and winter. Those are the best candles ever. Those are the best ones. Go join. You know you want to. All right, and then we can talk about our candles together, okay? So I'll make a post in my Facebook community page, and we can all talk about how we're using our candles. Sound good to you? Okay, I'll leave the community page linked in the description box too. There's 3 questions, they're silly questions. Answer the questions, otherwise my moderators can't approve you. It's just to make sure you're not a bot or you're not somebody with ill intents. You know, we have to be careful of that these days. I'm sorry, we just do. Thank you so much for watching. Everything's in the description box, and we will see you next time. I'm gonna light my candles.